Welcome to Module 5, Lesson 5, Topic 2, Use of function. The if function begins with an equal sign followed by the name and opening parentheses. The function contains three arguments. 1. Logical test, 2. Value if true, and 3. Value if false. In the shown example, logical test is sales is greater than $2,000. Value if true means if sales is greater than $2,000, then multiply sales into 10%. And value if false means if sales is less than $2,000, then multiply sales into 5%. The if function only requires the logical test argument in the formula. Both the value if true and the value if false arguments are optional. It is important to understand the impact to your formula if you omit the true or false arguments. For example, consider the following statement. If a1 is greater than 100, then omit the true argument, and write no if false. If you omit the value if true argument, the if function will return 0 when the condition is met. If you omit the value if false argument, when the condition is false, the if function will return the logical value of false. If you do not want the if statement to display any value when the condition is evaluated, enter double quotes in the argument that you want to have blank. For example, if a1 is greater than 100, then yes, otherwise double quotes. Thank you for watching. See you in the next module. Getting and transforming data.